Hello dear Geminis, welcome back to my channel, and this is your reading for the month of this is your mid-month love reading. And if you are looking for a career or a detailed monthly reading, then that video has already been posted. Please do go and check out my channel. If you have a personal question in your mind, please do ask before watching this video. That will be easier for you. If you are single, if you have a crush on someone, if you are in a relationship or situationship or marriage, then also this video belongs to you. This video will be in English, video will be separate. Please do check your sun, moon and rising. This will be applied to any of those signs. So let's begin. Let's pick out two cards from this deck. Your life has been difficult for a very long time. This card literally is coming in your reading, Geminis. Okay, let me take out two more cards just to have a good clarification. Very good. Very good. Okay, those who are new to my channel, please note that this is a reading directly from the book of Nostradamus. So I'm going to refer to the book as and when required. So you have different set of cards, positive and negative. First is Five of Spades and the completed world. Very beautifully, this card is telling me that you have been fighting a lot, okay, with people around you, and you have been surrounded by bad people, bad energy, right? Even in your relationships, you would see that, you haven't met deserving boys and girls, not potential partners. You haven't met those. If you have been in relationships, you would know that there have always been people who were never serious about you, or who cheated on you, lied to you, not deserving enough. If you are in a marriage, then you would also understand that you have been surrounded by people who are, your relatives could be toxic, your friends could be toxic, your colleagues could be toxic. So I do see that toxic energy was surrounding you. But what I beautifully see is the completed world, like that you will come out of this and become a champion, right? You will be coming out of this negative energy that is has been surrounding you for a very long time, Gemini, and you will succeed in this. Let's clarify more with Nostradamus what it really means for you. The Five of Stairs. Nostradamus very beautifully gave me a word. Okay, I'm going to tell that to you. That word is lack of love. And that it is time for great changes. So what they're trying to tell me is that you have been living in a state where there was lack of love. Why? Because there were people who did not choose you. For example, there you have met girls. For girls, you've met boys. For boys, you've met girls who did not choose you, right? Who did not make you their priority. Why did they do that? See, the first thing is you need to start loving yourself. If you will see yourself as somebody who's less, the other person will also get that energy from you. They will also start treating you like that. So I do feel that you have been living in a lack of self-love, self-esteem situation because of all the past experiences. Because people have lied to you, cheated on you, not chosen you, not given you priority, were never uh, sort of sure about you, right? They never wanted to invest in your cup. What I do feel is now, instead of focusing on the other person, whether that's in a relationship or marriage, or whether you're single and looking for someone, I feel that instead of focusing on the other person that like you have been and not getting enough in return, you have started focusing on yourself. You have started pouring that love in your own cup, right? Because you have a lot of love to give. You want to share that love with someone, but it's not being reciprocated. I do feel that in your surrounding, whether that's your marriage, whether that's your relationship, and whether that is that you're looking out for someone through dating apps or rishtas or whatever, you're not your energy, your love is not being reciprocated. So I do feel that now you have stopped looking out in a way, uh, for other person to give you the love, and you have started paying attention to your needs. You have started giving love to yourself, right? You have started putting yourself as a priority and putting yourself first rather than the other person's cares and needs. So very good. That is a very good sign of development. When you start, uh, putting more energy in you, you will automatically flourish, right? The flower grows where it is watered the most, right? So I think you have now started watering your own flower. Now you will grow. Okay, till the time you keep watering other flowers and don't water yourself, you will never grow. So beautiful. Second, you have got the 10 of moons and the devil card. So I do feel that some of you could be dealing with a Capricorn. Doesn't have to be, but some of you could be dealing with a Capricorn. I too do feel that there are happy things that are coming your way. Now that you have started pouring more energy in you, happy things will start to happen. Big changes will start to happen. That is also the completed world talk about. Things you will automatically see a difference in yourself also. You'll start staying happy also. And then it wouldn't bother to you if a wrong person comes along, or if you are in a relationship or marriage, then it wouldn't matter to you if your partner is not giving you that kind of attention and love that you need. Why? Because I do see that there is still a lingering devil energy in your uh, uh, surrounding. So I do feel that that is still there. Let me clarify more with Nostradamus on the 10 of moons also for you, and the devil for you. Yeah. See, you will still have people who are only coming to you for lust, right? I do feel that uh, you have started paying attention to yourself, right? You have stopped doing self harm, which means not paying attention, not taking care of your health, crying, not sleeping well, not eating healthy, or waiting for someone to, constantly call you or message you, or wait for someone to ask how you're feeling. And if they did not ask, then you start feeling sad, or stalking someone on social media when they're not giving you attention, even when they have told you clearly that they're not interested in you. So that self harm energy, it could be your own energy also, right? This devil energy says that you could be still having lingering feelings also, such self harm energy also inside you, but you're going to be successful, right? You're going to come out of it, and I do see that you're going to get a lot of success in that kind of feeling. I do feel that this is a card of public honor, this is a card of prizes. So I do feel that you're achieving something, in your professional life, which is making you very happy, right? You just need to now focus on your personal life also, your health also. I'm not saying that you have to go out and meet people, or you have to take somebody back. This will be Mercury retrograde, okay? There will be excess coming back. There will be toxic energies coming back. So you don't have to take them back, because I do see lingering toxic energy. Now, this could be lingering around you, this could be lingering inside you as well. So yes, you are professionally, you are doing very great. You always have. But personally, you are somehow lacking, right? You do feel that lack. But now you've started focusing on yourself, so things will automatically improve. You're also not maybe self-harming yourself as much as you used to do, because you've realized that you're not going to get this kind of love from the other person. Now, I'm not trying to demotivate you or something. I'm just saying that this is maybe not the time, okay? Instead of waiting for the wrong person to come back, or to call you, or to apologize, or to find another toxic person, it's better to take some time off. I know you could be telling me that, it's been years I have been single. What are you saying, right? Or it's been years I've been waiting, I've been in this relationship and I still haven't got this kind of love back. Then I would say that, just keep pouring in yourself. Just keep pouring that love in yourself, which you're not getting from anywhere else. Because the kind of love you have for yourself and others, nobody can have, right? So you have to focus on the love that you can give to yourself. If nobody else is filling your cup, whether that's any sort of relationship, please start pouring into yourself and then see the difference. You will automatically feel better, your health will feel better, you will just be happy, So let's just focus on ourselves, Gemini, and this is your mid-month love reading. Hope it gets better soon. Uh, this was your reading. If you resonated with me, please do comment, like, share, and subscribe. Do let me know how you felt about it. I will be happy to know about your current status. So I will see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.